In this video, we are going to go over how to create custom content types and how to display them on your EventDoor site. Content types are essentially custom templates that are used in collections. Collections are used to enter data based on content types and then display it in groups within the site. You can create custom content types on either the platform or organization level. The process for creating content types is the same for either level. Navigate to the Content Types section in the dashboard. Click Create Type in the top right corner. Here is where you will create the template that will be used in collections. Start by filling out the basic information like labels and a description. There are singular and plural labels for the different contexts in which content types can appear on the site. The description is optional. The Display section gives you options for how the media will display in a collection. The image style determines how the media will be displayed in a collection on the website. If there is no image to display, it will be replaced with the icon you select below. Location will give you the option to add a physical location for an item. Custom fields is where you can add more data points that you want to include outside of the default ones above. The options are text, image, color, and URL. Text is just for displaying simple text. Image and color give you additional fields on top of the ones provided. URL is perfect for adding a website or social media account. For example, you would add a custom URL field for a website and then another one for Facebook. Once you are finished, click Save Changes. You can always go back and make changes to content types later. Now you're ready to use this custom content in collections. Navigate to the Collections section in the dashboard. Collections are used to create content based on content types and then group that content together. You can then add collections to your site and edit how they display on the site in the Site Builder. Collections can also be used to group videos. Click Create Collection in the top right. This is used to create a collection framework, not the content itself. First, connect a content type that you created earlier. Give this collection a title. The rest of the settings are optional. Click Create when you're finished. After you have created a collection, you will see it populated in the list on the Collections page. Click on a collection in the list to make changes or add content. Add content to a collection by clicking Add Item. When you first add an item, you will only be prompted for a name, which is required, along with an optional description and tags. You will add additional information to an item after it's created. Click Add Item when you're ready. You'll see the item has been populated in the list. Click on an item in the list to view more information and edit it. Click Edit in the top right. Now you should see all the options reflect the custom content type you created and selected. Add in any information you would like for this item, and then click Save. Now that you have a collection set up, it's time to add it to your site and customize the look. This is done in the Site Builder. Go into the Site Builder. To add a collection to a page, click the Add button at the top of the Sections panel. You'll see a list of options. Select the Collection feature. There are also options for a video collection and a Collections option that displays multiple collections. In the Inspector panel, you can select which collection you want to display. You have a few options here to adjust how a collection is displayed. You can change the title. Changing the mode from auto to manual will let you select which items in a collection you want to display. Useful if you want to hide an item from displaying without deleting it from the collection. Next is Layout, for changing how the items are displayed. And lastly, Sort, which will change how the items are ordered. In the Site Preview window, you can click on individual items to edit their settings. Note, this is the same as editing items in the dashboard, so all changes will be site-wide for this item. Collection items also have their own pages, which are disabled by default. Here's how you enable item pages and how you can customize them. Navigate to Collections, click on a collection, then click on an item. You'll notice a Page button in the top right next to the Edit button. Click on the Page button. This will open up the Site Builder, and you'll notice in the Sections panel that there is a button to enable the page. After clicking Enable, you will be able to edit the collection's list page and item page. From here, you can customize the pages just like you would on any other page in the Site Builder. Lastly, there is an item selector in the Sections panel to choose which item page you want to edit. That's how you set up content types and collections on EventDoor. For more information and to get started, go to eventdoor.com.